Have you ever tried to play a video and it just won't open? Or maybe it plays, but it's lagging, showing a black screen, or the audio is completely out of sync. That's usually a sign that your video file is corrupted. This can be really frustrating, especially if it's something important. Maybe it's a recorded meeting, a travel video, or a once in a lifetime moment. But now it's completely unusable. And the worst part is you don't even know what caused it. In most cases, video files get corrupted because of interrupted transfers, incomplete downloads, or storage issues. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you several ways to repair corrupted MP4 and MOV files. First, you can try VLC's built-in repair feature. But here's something important. This feature mainly works for AVI files. So what you can do is rename your MP4 or MOV file to .avi first, then open VLC, go to Tools, Preferences, and switch to Input and Codecs. Under Damaged or Incomplete AVI file, select Always Fix and save. This allows VLC to automatically repair minor file issues. Another way is to re-encode the video using VLC. Go to Media, then Convert or Save, add your corrupted video, and convert it to MP4 again. This process rebuilds the video structure and can fix playback issues. You can also try adjusting VLC's video output settings. Go to Preferences, then Video, and change the output module. This can help fix issues like a black screen or distorted playback. If VLC doesn't work, you can try online video repair tools. Just upload your video and the system will attempt to repair it automatically. These tools are convenient, but they usually have file size limits and may require a reference video. If your video is still not working, your video is likely more seriously corrupted. And at that point, basic tools like VLC may not be enough. In situations like this, using a dedicated repair tool is often the most reliable option. I tried using 4dig file repair for this. What it does is analyze the damaged video structure and automatically rebuild the missing or broken parts. You just import the video, click repair, and export the fixed file. Here's the original video, and here's the repaired version. As you can see, it plays smoothly again without any errors. What I like about this approach is you don't need to manually troubleshoot anything. So here's a quick summary. VLC can fix minor issues through auto repair and re-encoding. Online tools are convenient but limited. But for more serious corruption, a dedicated repair tool is usually the most effective solution. If you're dealing with corrupted videos, it's definitely worth using a repair tool. You can check out 4dig file repair. I'll leave a link in the description. There's also a free trial available so you can test it before deciding. Hopefully this video helped you fix your file. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you best. And yeah, don't forget to check the link below if you want to try it out yourself.